Welcome in one and another special episode of one word substitution. This is also called OWS. A person who physically attacks another. A person who physically attacks another. He is called an assailant. Assailant. A-S-S-A-I-L-A-N-T. Assailant. This is noun. हिंदी में इसे कहा जाता है आक्रमणकारी. To agree to a request, an idea, a suggestion. To agree to a request, an idea, a suggestion. This is called assent. A-S-S-E-N-T. Assent. This is verb. और हिंदी में इसे कहा जाता है स्वीकृति. The quality of being politely firm and demanding. The quality of being politely firm and demanding. This is called assertive. Assertive. A-S-S-E-R-T-I-V. Assertive. This is an adjective. इसे हिंदी में कहा जाता है दबंग हठधर्मी. One who tells future from the stars. One who tells future from the stars. This is called astrologer. This is called astrologer. This is a noun. हिंदी में इसे कहा जाता है ज्योतिषी. A person who is trained to travel in space. A person who is trained to travel in space. A person who is trained to travel in space. This is called astronaut. A-S-T-R-O-N-A-U-T. Astronaut. हिंदी में इसे कहा जाता है अंतरिक्ष यात्री. The scientific body of celestial bodies like sun, moon, stars, planets. The scientific study of celestial bodies like sun, moon, stars, planets. This is called astronomy. This is called astronomy. A-S-T-R-O-N-O-M-Y. Astronomy. This is noun. हिंदी में इसे कहते हैं खगोल शास्त्र. Place that provides refuge, a hospital where people who were mentally ill could be cared for, often for a long time. This is called asylum. A-S-Y-L-U-M. Asylum. This is a noun. इसे हिंदी में कहा जाता है शरण स्थल या अस्पताल. A person who does not believe in God. A person who does not believe in God. This is called atheist. A-T-H-E-I-S-T. Atheist. इसे हिंदी में कहा जाता है नास्तिक और ये नाउन है. That can be heard clearly. That can be heard clearly. This is called audible. Audible. A-U-D-I-B-L-E. Audible. This is an adjective और हिंदी में इसे श्रवण योग्य माना जाता है. श्रवण योग्य माना जाता है. श्रवण योग्य माना जाता है. One who makes an official examination of accounts, financial records. One who makes an official examination of accounts, financial records. This is called auditor. This is called auditor. लेखा परीक्षक. A building where an audience sits. A building where an audience sits. Auditorium. A-U-D-I-T-O-R-I-U-M. Auditorium. सभागार. Made or done in the traditional or original way. Something that is genuine. Authentic. Authentic. A-U-T-H-E-N-T-I-C. Authentic. This is an adjective and हिंदी में इसे कहा जाता है प्रामाणिक. An account of a person's life written by self. An account of person's life written by self. This is called autobiography. Autobiography. A-U-T-O-B-I-O-G-R-A-P-H-Y. This is a noun. हिंदी में इसे आत्मकथा कहा जाता है. A system of government of a country in which one person has complete power. A system of government of a country in which one person has complete power. Autocracy. A-U-T-O-C-R-A-C-Y. Autocracy. This is a noun. इसे तानाशाही कहा जाता है. A ruler who has complete power. A ruler who has complete power. This is called autocrat. This is called autocrat. A-U-T-O-C-R-A-T. Autocrat. हिंदी में इसे तानाशाह कहा जाता है और यह एक नाउन है. A self-governing country or region. A self-governing country country or region, autonomy, 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 this is a noun. हिंदी में इसे स्वशासन कहा जाता है. An official examination of a dead body by a doctor in order to discover the cause of death, this is called autopsy. Autopsy, this is called autopsy, 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 this is noun. इसे हिंदी में कहा जाता है सब परीक्षण. The group especially in arts regarded as being the most experimental. The group especially in the arts regarded as being the most experimental. Avant-garde, avant-garde, grade, this is an adjective. अपने क्षेत्र में अग्रणी. Insatiable desire for wealth, insatiable desire for wealth, this is called avarice, 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 this is a noun. हिंदी में इसे कहा जाता है लोभ. Having an extreme desire for wealth, having an extreme desire for health. Avaricious, this is an adjective. and हिंदी में इसे कहा जाता है लालची. A place where birds are kept, a place where birds are kept, this is called aviary, 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 this is a noun. और हिंदी में इसे पक्षी साल कहा जाता है. किलिंग ऑफ बर्ड्स, एविसाइड, एविसाइड, AVICID, एविसाइड, पक्षियों को मारना, ये एक नाउन है. कीन इंटरेस्ट और इंथ्यूजियाजम, कीन इंटरेस्ट और इंथ्यूजियाजम, एविडिटी, एविडिटी, AVIDITY, एविडिटी, इसे हिंदी में उत्सुकता कहा जाता है और यह एक नाउन है, संज्ञा. टू कीप अवे फ्रॉम, टू कीप अवे फ्रॉम, दिस इज कॉल्ड अवॉइड, अवॉइड, AVOID, अवॉइड, दिस इज वर्ब और हिंदी में इसे दूर रहना कहा जाता है. ए रूल प्रिंसिपल दैट मोस्ट पीपल बिलीव टू बी ट्रू, ए रूल प्रिंसिपल दैट मोस्ट पीपल बिलीव टू बी ट्रू, दिस इज कॉल्ड एक्जियोम, AXIOM, एक्जियोम, दिस इज ए नाउन. हिंदी में इसे सिद्धांत कहा जाता है. ए मैन हु रिमेन्स अनमैरिड, ए मैन हु रिमेन्स अनमैरिड, बैचलर, BACHELOR, बैचलर, दिस इज ए नाउन और हिंदी में इसे अविवाहित कहा जाता है. ए मैन हैविंग नो हेयर ऑन द स्कैल्प, ए मैन हु हैज़ नो हेयर ऑन द स्कैल्प, दिस इज कॉल्ड बाल्ड, BALD, बाल्ड, दिस इज एन एडजेक्टिव. हिंदी में गंजा कहा जाता है. सेंसलेस टॉक और राइटिंग, सेंसलेस टॉक और राइटिंग, this is balderdash, this is called balderdash, 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 this is a noun. हिंदी में इसे बकवास कहा जाता है. This is all about today's one word substitution. Thanks, regards.